Hi guys, and today's video is making flapjacks, and today it is apricot flapjacks. And first and foremost, in the bowl I've got oats, sugar and apricot bits and butter. So we'll put the butter into the bowl and the dry ingredients into the mixing bowl, like so. And into the butter, literally speaking, we're going to pour in some golden syrup, like that. And that's it. We'll be back in a minute. Right guys, back. I microwaved the butter and the golden syrup, and literally you pour that into the dry ingredients, like so. Oh, that sounded a bit odd. Right, now just give it a good stir around with the end of the beater. That's to get all the loose stuff off the bottom and mixed in. Now we'll pop it on a machine bowl for about a minute. Alright, pop it on the bowl. Machine. First speed. Right guys, paper on the tray, empty out the ingredients, there we go, all mixed up. Give it a good shake. Get your hand in with a scraper, or you can just do it with your hand, whichever case may be. Spread it out with your hand, like that. And once you've done that, literally spread it out fairly even. Get yourself water. Just flatten it out, like so. And that's it, it's ready for the oven. Hi guys, and the next stage is baking the flapjacks, and oven temperature is around about 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Load up the oven. We'll see you in a bit when they're baked. There are guys, all out and baked. Hi guys, this is the apricot. We're now going to slice this one up. Apricot flapjack. Got off the edges. apricot flapjack. That golden syrup on the bottom, nice and soft inside. There you go.